Hello to all my members and subscribers and the YouTube community. I wanted to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude for being a part of my YouTube channel. Your support means the world to me, and I am honored to have you as a subscriber. Your engagement, feedback, and positive comments on my videos inspire me to create even more content that you'll enjoy. Knowing that my videos have resonated with you in some way and that they have added value to your life motivates me to keep pushing forward and creating more engaging and informative content. I truly appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, leave comments, and share your thoughts with me. Your ongoing support means everything to me, and I am grateful for each and every one of you. So once again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for being a part of my YouTube community. I look forward to continuing to create and share more exciting content with you in the future. Keep in touch and more videos updates to come. Spotibee.